Now I'm excited.
Alright, I know this is a bit of a weird one, but I'm currently not in the van. This video is two days joined into one, just because it is currently raining and there's not many things I can do. So I've been doing the stuff I enjoy, which is exploring and driving, but I'm not exactly doing the fun stuff like going to stores or shrines and stuff like that you would enjoy. So I've made it interesting by joining two into one. I know I kind of skipped today, but we'll be back to the regular broadcast tomorrow.
All right, good morning. It is day 3 of Japan in a van. As you can tell, I'm a little bit more excited than most other times that I've started the videos, and that's because it's not exactly morning. It's about 10 o'clock. So today we're on our way to Mount Haruna, which map says it's about 6 hours away, not using tolls. I'm at least going to start heading that direction and then later decide whether I want to start using tolls or not. And we might not even make it all that way today. I have really not much planned for today. It's kind of a chill explore day. There's nothing on the map saved. There is no destinations. I think the idea is to pretty much stop at whatever I see that looks cool. So let's go explore. Alright, just pulled up to a rest stop in Minami, I think. I'm uploading yesterday's video and cook some lunch. So katsu curry with chicken cutlet from 7-Eleven. Nice. I'm like 20 minutes away from where I'm stopping, and I just passed a sign that had a monkey on it. There are monkeys nearby. Any other animal. Zebras, giraffes, lions, whatever, who cares? Monkeys? Now I'm excited. Hell yeah. Good morning. It's like 7:30. Still in the parking lot. Still good. Did not get kicked out, and someone else ended up staying here in their van. So that was good to kind of know that at least someone else was trying to do the same thing. Got a good view out the back. It's a lot of nature. Very good. It's not raining right now, but today and tomorrow is supposed to be non-stop rain. So it'll be interesting to see what we're going to do today. Because I wanted to do a lot of I wanted to do a walking track, but I haven't really got rain clothing. I've got a jumper, but that's just going to soak up if it rains. So yeah, let's see what we work out.
It seems like the world's giving up on its own. D. 前9、8、7、6、5、4、3、2、1、GO!
Now, last time I came to Japan, I actually did stop here. I just didn't really film that much. But yeah, it's a little bit different. In the anime, there's like a building here, and there's a few other things, and that solar farm isn't over there, which I don't know if you can see, but it's a little bit different. But I mean, makes it more interesting. Here's a map with all the other manhole covers with the art on it. There's the one we're at, and okay, so all of these are down in here, which I'm pretty sure this is Ikaho. But we won't be stopping there today. But yeah, oh yeah, there's a few more down here as well. Okay. But yeah. Pretty cool. It is raining though, so I'm kind of gonna, yeah, I'm not gonna stay here for that long.
Alright, let's go for the downhill world record.
We're staying on brand with Initial D. We're actually going to go check out the Initial D cafe. I don't know if we're going to grab any food or anything like that, but let's go have a look. Oh my god, that's crazy. Alright, that was a cool cafe. The drink was a Pepsi float with whipped cream and chocolate sauce on top. It was alright. I thought it was something else, so I ordered it, but I mean, it was fine. And I actually spoke a little Japanese. I said arigato, and he said get out. And I said okay. No. No, it was pretty cool. Had heaps of Initial D kind of stuff. You could read your own magazine, you could read manga and whatever, and they had like drifting on the projector screen, which was kind of cool. I was sitting watching it. Yeah, so now we're on our way to our next destination. I actually booked a hotel for tonight. I'm gonna do the plan of sleep in the van one night and then hotel the next night and stuff like that. I know this is Japan in a van. I am in the van right now.
I won't be later. Be happy about that. I can't remember what the mountain's called, but I'm going to put it here. And we're going to, of course, sleep on top of another mountain. And it might have something to do with Initial D. Whoops.